Welcome to the Brita Water Filter Pitcher Marketing Plan presentation. This marketing plan is in regards to the Brita Water Filter Pitcher that now comes in several colors, allowing customers to color coordinate. The first step in the marketing plan is to conduct an environmental scan. There are 6 elements to be considered in an environmental scan: demographic, economic, social cultural, technological, natural environmental, and political legal. It is important for businesses to be aware of these external trends and conditions so that they can forecast and make strategic business decisions. What we have found for the target demographic market for this product are female renters aged 25 to 40, millennials, in Corona. These customers have a need for a portable and affordable product to provide clean and tasty water. Portability is important since 45% of California households are renters, with 56% of renters being women. Unfortunately, while Corona City Water does meet EPA requirements, it does not meet public health goals. These renters need to have a water filtration system in their home, but with an income of $32,000 per capita in Corona in 2019, there is little disposable income. Millennials are the largest generation by population, as well as 35% of the workforce. This makes them a large target audience with strong purchasing power. They are willing to pay for customization, but are frugal with other aspects of their purchases. For economics, Brita needs to review how many single-use water bottles are being purchased and the redemption value per each bottle. Brita can then market the savings an individual or family will save by switching to the reusable filter pitcher. For social, Brita can highlight the uniqueness of the color coordinating product. Additionally, Brita can exploit the large quantities of single-use water bottles that are filling up the landfills versus how many of these products are actually being recycled. This will call on the socially conscious consumer to switch to a water filter pitcher. Regarding nature, Brita can highlight that the filter provides unlimited clean and tasty water for your family, unlike single-use bottles where quantities were limited during natural disaster or pandemic. After reviewing the environmental scan of the Brita Water Filter Pitcher, I found some internal strengths and weaknesses as well as external opportunities and threats. First strength is Brita's strong brand recognition. The Brita company has been around since 1966 and is sold worldwide. Now, as a member of the Clorox family, Brita is number 1 in product share for water filtration systems in 2019. Brita's second strength is that their filters are recyclable, which is important to those who are environmentally conscious. The third strength is the price point. At $30 for the pitcher and the first filter, this product easily fits into the target market's budget. The fourth strength is that the Brita pitcher is a convenient water system for renters, as it does not require plumbing and it is portable. The weaknesses of this product revolve around the actual filter. The first weakness is that Brita's filter does not last as long as their competition. This leads to an economic factor that there is a higher end cost due to more frequent filter replacements. This is something that consumers will consider while researching water filter pitchers. The third weakness is a technological factor, that there have been public complaints that Brita filter does not filter out as many contaminants as their competition. The fourth weakness is in regards to new product awareness. Brita has developed many different pitchers with varied filters, capacities, and colors, but there has been very little, if any, advertisement. The first external opportunity identified is Corona's demographics. The city has grown 13.3% in the last 10 years. The median age in Corona is 36 years old for females, and 50% of renters are women. This leads to the second opportunity, which is buying power in regards to the social cultural trend of color coordinating. With more women renters in the target age range, this provides the perfect marketing opportunity. The third opportunity has presented itself in the past year due to COVID, that there's no limitations been placed on the purchasing of a water filtration system, unlike cases of water bottles. The fourth opportunity is that Corona's city water does not meet public health goals despite meeting EPA's maximum contaminant levels. So while it is technically safe to drink, it is not the best. The first external threat is that competitors' filters are better in that they filter out more contaminants. The second threat is that there is nothing stopping competitors from also offering color variations. The third threat is regarding public relations. On many web-based comparison lists, Brita is ranked lower than their competitors. The fourth threat is in the technology trend, is that there is a lack of brand placement on Amazon, meaning despite the strong brand recognition, on this platform the brand recognition has much less power. After reviewing this analysis, I have realized that there are some substantial and potentially damaging weaknesses. Despite the strength of this brand and the uniqueness of the product, it may not be enough for consumers to overlook these weaknesses. It is recommended that the filter be updated to be competitive so that the uniqueness of the product will not only capture the target market's interest, but fully engage them to purchase. With many competing water filter pitchers on the market, Brita needs to stand out. Their innovation to have more color varieties play two parts. The first is that it allows the consumer to match their kitchen and other small appliances. The second is that it ties into color psychology and people's personal preference of colors. Color variety is significant because color can influence mood and even influence psychological reaction. The two pricing strategies to be used for this product are customer value-based pricing and competition-based pricing. Customer value-based pricing is the price that a customer is willing to pay depending on the customer's budget, wants, and needs, and even mood. The price must be set competitively, though. If it is too high, consumers may not choose Brita. This product is available online via large retailers and in brick-and-mortar stores such as Amazon, Target, Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond, Lowe's, and Home Depot. Unfortunately, at this time, the product is not available direct-to-consumer on Brita's website. Since this product is not available to direct-to-consumer, retailers can add value by making the shopping experience convenient. One way to do this is to provide drive-up, pick-up options for the purchase. The primary means of promotion for this product is social media marketing, specifically social media ads, as these ads are directed to a specific customer or customer demographic. The second promotional tool for this product is digital marketing, such as store flyers for Target. The third promotional tool is sales promotion or coupons. Brita has paired with Pandora to provide discounts in addition to their My Brita email marketing campaign. When digital marketing is paired with sales promotion, there is a more immediate call to action to the consumer, often driving consumers to purchase so they do not miss the deal. The fifth P in the marketing mix is people. The Brita designers are actively keeping up with color trends and product testing new colors. Brita's customer service staff is ready to respond to questions, concerns, and complaints Monday through Friday via phone, email, and social media. Lastly, Brita's marketing team created frequently asked questions, content, and video for care and maintenance information on the website. The benefit of this product is that it makes clean water more readily available to its consumers, which has positive and lasting health impacts. For example, filtered water detoxifies your body, boosts your immune system, and reduces the risk of cancer by removing chlorine and chlorine byproducts. Additionally, the color variety inspires individuality, creativity, and boosts mood. Color preferences exert an influence on the objects people choose to purchase, the clothes they wear, and the way they adorn their environment. Further, the home is supposed to be a reflection of who lives in it. With Brita's variety of colors, Brita makes it easier to color coordinate. If everything else is colorful in your life, why isn't your water filter? One aspect of positioning is identifying the target market and competition. Brita's competitors include Pure and Zero Water. Brita's value position is that of more for the same, more variety or customer service for the same price. These three brands and products are similar, but Brita comes in several colors and with a great warranty and great customer service. Brita also has a filter subscription that customers can sign up for convenience. This graphic resonates with the target demographic and psychographic market. It shows that buying a water filter pitcher is less expensive than buying cases of single-use water bottles, and it's better for the environment, as well as showing the colors it can come in. Social media marketing is one promotional tool that has become increasingly effective for the millennial target market. Unfortunately, 84% of millennials stated that they do not like or trust traditional marketing, and they are looking for something authentic and genuine. Each social media platform attracts different audiences and plays a different role for its consumers. So it is important that the social media strategy aligns with the platform's use. The 4 social media platforms that are most frequented by millennial women are Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, in descending order. Facebook is the most frequented social platform. The Facebook platform allows businesses to create colorful ad campaigns for a custom target audience, as well as run analytics to see how well the ad campaign went. Facebook is also a great platform to utilize memes, which get your brand circulated and allows you to react to current events quickly, keeping you relevant while allowing your brand to stay ahead of its competition. The second most used social platform by women is YouTube, with 68% of U.S. women using the site, specifically 93% of 25 to 30-year-olds. It was on YouTube that Brita previously paired NBA superstar Steph Curry with YouTube creator, social influencer King Bach. This authentic and relatable ad generated over 2 million views, which led to a 2,000% search lift on mobile and a 30% lift in brand favorability. The third and most used social media platform by U.S. women is Instagram, with 43% usage. Instagram is well known for beautiful photos, and another platform that Brita has used in the past. Brita has collaborated with 21 influencers on a public relation campaign to post personalized Instagram photos that were photoshopped to depict natural settings marred by pollution, using the tag "No Filter, No Future." This campaign ties into 2 key values that matter most to millennial consumers, which is sustainability and environmental protection. Facebook and Instagram are frequently used as intercommunication tools as well. Customers can ask questions, offer suggestions, and lodge complaints, where they will often receive a quick response. The last social media platform to be used is Twitter, which 21% of U.S. women use. Research found that Twitter users are younger, more likely to identify as Democratic, and more highly educated with higher incomes. Due to this niche market, the strategy for this platform will be 80% of posts as educational and informative, with 20% of posts as direct brand promotion. Thank you for listening to my marketing plan for Brita. I appreciate it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.